Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this customizable Photoshop templates pack for Instagram. This is RAR file. You can download, link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Extract is done. Now open this folder. First install this Roboto condensed fonts. If it is already installed on your computer, replace it like me. Then, there have two folder posts and stories. There are 30 different project files in each folder, 60 customizable Photoshop templates, 30 posts and 30 stories. So I'm going to open some now. You can understand how to customize these. Very simple thing. You can download this pack for your Instagram story and post if you want. Instagram square posts, 1080 by 1080 px. Instagram stories, 1080 by 1920 px. Photoshop document templates. Free fonts use fully customizable images and text on separate layers. It's absolutely free. Like other videos on our channel, you can easily create and upload posts in less time. If you want, you can change the text file by clicking here, and add your own images. There are a total of 60 project files, so you will see one by one. I am not growing this tutorial. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.